Welcome to Two Kids. Today, we're going to learn how to add numbers together. It's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's add some apples here. 1 plus 1. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 apples. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, look, there are 2 balls, and we are adding 1 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Look, there are 2 gummy bears, and let's add 2 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gummy bears. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Here are 3 cars. Let's add 3 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Here are 3 candies, and let's add 1 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Oh, look! There are 4 birds. Let's add 4 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Here are 5 stars. Let's add 1 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Here are 2 hands. Each hand has 5 fingers. Let's count all the fingers and see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Hooray!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.